Hello and welcome to today's celebration assembly. Everyone has had a fantastic week and I've been really proud of the work the children have been doing. So well done to all of you. But we do have some special winners for this week and we have our Going for Gold awards. First, we have in Leeds class, Harriet for showing an interest in letters and numbers, and Emily for super print artworking using paint and wheels. In York 1, we have Ella O.S. for writing CVC words by herself using a sound mat and only a little bit of help. Fantastic work, Ella. We also have Jensen for understanding how parts of numbers combine to make whole numbers. In York 2, we have Billy. Billy gets his award for understanding and working out the parts to make different whole numbers. We also have David for trying really hard when practicing to write his name. In Hall class, we have Olivia for showing enthusiasm in Read Write Ink, and Damien for trying hard to make sure his letters sit correctly on the line. In Nottingham class, we have Anna for always working hard and trying her best with her work, and Flynn for super ideas with superheroes. In Liverpool class, we have Faith for always making the right choices and trying her best, and Cohen for his terrific superhero story writing this week. In Cardiff class, we have Susanna N. for taking her time and putting so much effort into her artwork when drawing buildings, and Isaac for his excellent effort in maths this week. In Edinburgh class, we have Lexi W. for working hard in English to add adverbial phrases to her sentences, and Casper for superb effort and progress with his swimming. In Cambridge class, we have Lucas for working so hard this week. There's been a huge change in his confidence towards his learning. We also have Isabel for her scientific knowledge around evolution this week. The teacher has been impressed. In London class, we have Nicola for good thinking in English this week and Ava for good note making in RE. In Oxford class, we have Mason for trying really hard with his polar landscape description and Amelia for writing fantastic polar landscape description. Well done to all of you. Give them a good clap. Fantastic work. Now we have the Year of Knowing Me awards. In Leeds class, we have Oliver for believing he can do it. Oliver can make a pattern with bricks and spot the mistake. We have Lila for growing in independence when leaving mom and persevering throughout the whole day. In York 1, we have Keelan for an inquiring mind. Keelan always asks questions about things he wonders about. We also have Willow M for gaining in confidence when having a go at writing CVC words by herself. In York 2, we have Julia for always having a positive can-do attitude, and Willow G for always trying and persevering with her learning even when things were tricky. In Hall class, we have Sophie for making positive attitude and challenging herself further in Read Write Ink, and Leo for an amazing attitude towards all of his learning. In Nottingham class, we have Tristan for showing resilience with his writing, and Grace for having a positive attitude towards all her learning. In Liverpool class, we have Alicia for being kind and considerate to other members of her class, and Archie for showing real willingness to make the right choices this week. In Cardiff class, we have Antonia for challenging herself in English lessons and always having a positive attitude. We also have Charlie for persevering and problem solving when using Digimaps on the laptops. In Edinburgh class, we have Freya for being a superb model of swimming and showing others how to believe in themselves, and Isha for superb effort in all she does, believing in herself and making progress. In Cambridge class, we have Charlie for having a positive growth mindset in maths this week, and Ella for her continued efforts around presentation in her workbooks. Keep it up. In London class, we have Scarlett for being fearless in games and Dylan for his perseverance in English. In Oxford class, we have Daniels for always being eager and ready to learn, and Caden for always being willing to help others. Well done to all of our children. Give them a nice big hand. Fantastic. Well done to everyone. I hope that you have a good weekend, and I can't wait to see what you get up to next week. Bye.